Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do ghost zoom on After Effects. First, duplicate your main footage layer. This will be the foundation for our ghost effect. Next, pre-compose this duplicated layer, naming it something clear like Ghost Zoom Element. This keeps our timeline tidy and allows for easier adjustments later on. Make sure to move all attributes into the new composition. Now, let's add some visual effects to our Ghost Zoom Element layer. First, apply a fast box blur effect. Set the blur radius to around 25 pixels to create a soft, ethereal look. Next, add a tint effect to desaturate the colors, giving it a more ghostly appearance. You can also add a slight glow effect for extra visual impact, making it truly stand out. This is where the magic happens. We'll animate the scale and opacity of our ghost layer. Go to the start of your desired zoom. Set initial keyframes for both scale at 100% and opacity at 100%. Move forward about 10 to 15 frames. Then, increase the scale to around 150% and decrease the opacity to 0%. This creates the quick, fading zoom. To perfect your ghost zoom, fine-tune the keyframe timing. Drag the second keyframes closer or further apart to control the speed of the zoom. Experiment with the blur radius and opacity levels to achieve your desired ghost intensity. Finally, enable motion blur on your ghost layer and for the composition. This adds a professional touch, making the effect feel more integrated and dynamic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.